This is the power cable for the satellite. Obviously most of it's going to be cut off because the satellite is going to be mounted right about here, right behind the other end. I think this is the TV over-the-air antenna. I'm going to mount the satellite right about here, so I'm going to have all this. This comes with the T4, same as a whole new line of coax, like almost like you're running the wires, but that'd be almost impossible to do now. So we're going to utilize this existing coax, power here, put the cover on and seal it all up. Well, test it and then seal it all up. So that's my next step. So pretty soon I'll put the satellite here, mount where mark where my feet are going to be. I will install that VHB primer and tape it on there. Okay, so I marked off the area where the feet are going in with tape, and this is the cover plate. I've already cut the wires, attached them. So this is the wire that's attached to the factory wires. I'm gonna apply this VHB primer. So here we go. Let's go. So it just takes a light coat. That's it. Okay, so this one is ready. I don't know if the camera picks up, but there's a little bit of a purple hue to it. Don't need much of it. I think that's it. The next step is the satellite dish itself. I have a good pattern here where I'll put the satellite down on. And where's my roller? So, lucky I had that acetone cover. So I will flip that satellite upside down, roll that VHB tape with this. That will activate the glues in the VHB tape, or the adhesive, so it says in the instructions. And then I will set the satellite down here. This one here, I'm going to apply some sealant around there, but let me first get this satellite on there. So here's my finished product. I just got to put one of my solar panels back, but here's the Winegard. So my next step is I got to put one solar panel back in. I'll do that tomorrow, but I think for right now I'm ready to actually install the indoor unit and test it out. So we'll see how that goes.